For decades, manufacturers like you have spent hours filling in paper documents, fixing errors, and figuring out where products are in their factories. Using clunky spreadsheets, paperwork instructions, job packs, and needless email threads. Have you considered how many hours, how much money that daily time suck is costing you? Welcome to Tascus from Metis Automation. Your all-in-one solution for a smarter manufacturing process with guided, timed work instructions for operators and in-process quality checks so you can prevent mistakes before they happen. You can instantly see where every order is within your factory so you can keep customers updated and spot problems before it's too late. Instant notifications let you know when your manufacturing process is taking too long or is out of spec. A full digital record for every product ensures you meet compliance standards. Automated KPI reports mean you can instantly get the data you need for management reviews and to track your improvement progress. Tascus makes it easy to visualize and control the products in your factory so you can focus on growing your manufacturing business. Sign up for a demo and learn more.